Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Morant Bay Urban Center. This facility is a game changer for the parish of St. Thomas. And the Urban Center is named after the capital, Morant Bay. So straight ahead, that is the new courthouse for Morant Bay. And the old courthouse, the old Morant Bay Courthouse was actually where the Morant Bay Rebellion started. And that is a very historic moment in Jamaica because it put Jamaica on the path to independence. Now to the right, that is the PICA office and the new tax office. Straight ahead, that's where Burger King is going to be. And then that massive building behind it is going to be a commercial center where it's going to be like a mall where you have different stores. And behind that one is some more industrial buildings. And then to the left now is where Juicy Patties is going to be, that standalone building. And this model is very successful. This facility is sold out. Sold out. They actually had 160% leases. So meaning more people applied for space here than they had space available. So the government is going to be building a micro business center behind that land that used to be behind the urban center, and to the right of it they're going to be building a 10-acre micro business center. Basically they're going to be expanding the urban center. Now this urban center is also going to have a call center, and the parish offices will be here, the parish council offices, and they might very well have the nicest parish council office in Jamaica. It's coming into view as we fly around. And of course, there's going to be a KFC here. So right away, you know, it's a successful plaza or urban center. I know people don't like to see when I use KFC as an example of economic growth and prosperity, but it is what it is. Okay, straight ahead, that building with the long roof, that is going to be the call center, and then beside it is going to be the UCC campus, and then coming into view now where you see that circle is where you're going to have the parish council, and then to the left of that building is where you have the NCB branch. And that road on the right is the Southern Coastal Highway, and that road is also a game changer for St. Thomas because it makes getting from Kingston, the capital of Jamaica, to Morant Bay, much easier. You have a first world quality highway to drive on, and that is why this urban center did so well, because you can now access it so easy. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And basically, we have to also give a shout out to China Harbour Engineering Company who built this facility. And they are now, the facility is practically finished, major construction. It's just the individual tenants now building out their units. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.